Are you worried about you not having too much space when working? Alright, as you can see here, this is my workspace desk, and the whole workspace desk has been filled by this laptop actually. Alright, so the perfect solution for this is right here. So this is the CondoMounts laptop and monitor wall mount. Alright, what it does right here, it assists you to place the laptop onto your this mount. Alright, you can place your laptop up here, and now you have plenty of space right here. And so you have plenty of space and you can start working like this. Okay, this mount is actually quite high. Alright, it's quite high, so you can actually place this a bit lower. And this mount is special because you can actually place your laptop, and also you can place a monitor right here. So here you can actually place your monitor. As you know, a monitor has a VESA hole behind, and you can just mount your monitor right here, place the keyboard, the mouse right here, and you can start using your monitor this way. Alright, it's gonna create a lot of space on your desk, and you are going to be more efficient when you're working, right? So this is the CondoMounts laptop and monitor mount. Do check out this product on our website.